This is a new wing I've made for the Oscar to match the constant chord rudder and elevator. The interesting thing is I've done this in that new shiny glitter feather colour from Angel Wing Designs. Works better outside, as you've just seen. Anyway, this isn't about the building of the wing, because it's literally this with ailerons. This is about using this covering. Right, temperature is set at 160, and we're on about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 centigrade. So let's just try on this corner, like so. Okay, that's possibly, my vibe is it might be a little bit too hot, but at the moment it's going on quite nicely. Notice how I'm keeping the iron moving. I'm going to drop the temp down a little bit. I've gone down to 150. There you go. Right, that's one trailing edge done. I'm not going to seal the trailing edge yet. I just want to get this basically tacked in place. I'm assuming I've stuck this down the right way. I've got the matte side down. Okay, so let's just, I'm now just going to roll this along the leading edge, which you can see me doing. I'm just pulling, not massive tension, but just pulling a bit of tension on, and I'm keeping the iron moving pretty quickly. Right, let's just get this sealed down on here, around the edges, like so. Now, tell you what I am going to do. I know, there'll be loads of people who are looking at this, they'll be screaming at me now, going, oh, man, get yourself a sock, an ironing sock. Mate, I've had bloody hundreds of ironing socks. The trouble is, they don't last 30 seconds. I'm just trying this piece of tissue on here. Right, let's see how that goes. Oh, that's alright, a little bit. Alright. So I think what we'll do is, I've got my basic edges. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of the bulk off. Whenever you're covering, always treat yourself to a new blade. Now, I think I'm going to turn the temp down just a little bit more. I've now gone down to 140. And it was right, basically tacked down one side. I've dropped the temperature down to just below, well, it's 135, 140. That's what I definitely felt, that the iron was actually gliding, not sticking over the covering. So I'm just literally, that's just tacked around the edge at the moment. I've not done any more than that, and now I'm just going to do exactly the same on the top, and then we'll start the next step. Right, so I've tacked down the 4 corners and the leading edge. Now, nice, if you've got a nice sharp knife, you just be able to whittle along here like this. There you go. Because we want covering to covering. A little top tip there: when you're using the knife, don't go across like that. Go across at an angle, and you'll find it will cut far better. And if your knife starts to blunt, change the blade, because what happens is the adhesive gets on the blade. Let me just see if I can just... Oh, like a boss. There you go. We want to go quite big. There you go. Now, not much curve here, but I'm putting a couple of little slits in just to accommodate the curve. Right, now then. So again, where you can, roll it over. There we go. And then that edge, that edge. Lovely. Now let's just make sure that we've got this bonded here. So I'm just doing the first 20mm in, plus the leading edge, plus the rib. And anybody that noticed the original Oscar, I've doubled up on the ribs on the outside because it did pull just a little bit. So now, so all tacked, let's get the gun out.